This is a legacy drawing format, likely from Micrographs Designer or CorelDRAW. Modern apps struggle with it. Your best bet is to use a converter to switch it to PDF. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor DRW corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. The core identity of the DRW file is rooted in the graphic design file specification. The data stream is defined entirely by the designer drawing format. The DRW file type is a generic abbreviation for a drawing file. It stores vector-based graphics and technical drawings used by various CAD and illustration programs. The file creator is application-specific, e.g. CorelDRAW, various CAD tools. The file is typically a proprietary vector format defining lines, curves, and text. The recommended application from Corel for handling DRW is unequivocally Corel Presentations X8. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows cannot interpret complex design formats natively, requiring proper applications. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the DRW file and click Open With. Test Corel Presentations X8 first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If the DRW file won't budge, stay calm. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, use CorelDRAW. Open the file using CorelDRAW Graphics Suite or Corel Presentations. Next, check version. Ensure your CorelDRAW version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to AI SVG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal format like AI or SVG. When your results show the DRW file is uniquely complex, it needs a utility that deliberately ignores normal system rules. Deploying that tool is the proven way to try and open difficult files like this. When troubleshooting fails, FileMagick steps in. Its unique ability to instantly render a preview of the DRW file, even with archive errors, makes it essential. Find the tool at filemagick.com. Have a great week ahead. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.